Okay, first video of the channel. What do I decide to do? Roblox. At 8:40 a.m. So, let's search up a game. And this is a game that I wanted to do for a while, called Theme Park Tycoon 2 in games. And this one. Okay, let's do this. Now, I haven't played this. I saw it. I've been waiting so that I could play it with you guys when I start my channel. It took me so long just to design the freaking profile picture. Jeez. Okay, it's loading assets. Taking a little while to load. Okay. Got it. It's loading. And I can already hear noises that you cannot. Sorry that you can't hear the noises. It's the way my screen recorder works. Come over here. Yeah. Yes. All the assets are loaded. Start a new game. I think I can figure out how to do this. Get tutorial. Confirm. Okay, so let's walk. Let's like Meat Masters 783's. The what? Okay. I'm going to close this. Yes. Let's click up here. How do you close this? Park likes? No. Park information. Here we go. Closed. Leave. Now all of them, just leave. Leave! Leave, my friends. Leave. Leave. Okay, now I'm gonna destroy all this. Including the trash. Which I think it's something that I don't want to say what it is. So, let's scenery paths, okay? Path planks, that's marble. I think we're good with path concrete. Oh, it changes the whole thing. That's cool. I like that. So basically, this isn't like another tycoon on Roblox. This is like a literal tycoon. I think I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna look for the rides. Stalls. Soft drinks. We have to put it over there. Pizza. Everyone loves pizza. Ice cream. And then ice cream. And then fries. Everyone loves fries. And then slushy. Oh, you have to rotate it. I'm guessing that's air. Oh, it actually worked. I didn't think that would work. Hot drinks. Candy floss. And popcorn. So, yeah, we got that. Now, scenery. Oh, the first thing I wanted was right there. Hedge bush. No, let's not do hedge bush. Fence walls and posts. Yeah, I like this. I like that. I like what I'm seeing. So, let's add that and that. Like so. And then do the same over here. You could rotate it like that, and that, and that, and that. And let's come out. Let's actually do this, and that, and that. Do we ever run out of money? Oh, our money's right there. I have like 8,000 something left. Okay, so let's add more onto here. Like that. So that looks cool. And let's rotate it. Wait, did it literally say it could load and save other games? You could save your game. Wait, I found no other game on Roblox where you could actually save the game. Like, no other tycoon could actually save your game on the server. Other people could be playing in that spot, but you join in a different server, a whole different server, and just restart your thing. You don't have to restart it necessarily. Well, that looks cool. I think I'm gonna do that with the side over here. Okay. So, yeah. Fences and... yeah, we're gonna trap people inside of here. Yeah. Gonna be freaking monsters. And then brick window. No, that sucks. Doorway brick. Okay. Boom. Bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. Now let's go back into scenery. Paths. Oh, trash cans and lanterns. We're gonna need some trash cans, because like I saw, people litter out their unmentionables. The things that come out of their unmentionables. I don't want to say it, because it sounds more like doggy doo-doo. Okay, so now we should add some lanterns. Let's rotate that, turn that. Rotate that. It's so hard to place these. Torch. Let's try this one. Lantern. Oh yeah, that one's pretty good. Lantern. So look, it's a nighttime theme park. Lantern. I wish we could build out here. Wait, that would be awesome if we could. Wait, can we? Yeah, I cannot be here. Okay, let's open this. Let's open this. Park info. Open. People are just gonna start barging in because they want to go in my park. Wait, no, oh! Someone came. And he spent oh, what? You have to spend money? I can up it up. Enter cost $21. I can get $21 every time somebody comes in. That's literally awesome. Go on in. What? He wants... oh. Change it back. Oh, what if I change it to 0? People would love me. 210? Oh, I made it free to get in my park. People don't have to pay money to get in my park. They literally don't. That's awesome. Hey, Kelia. Okay, it's just awkward to have people walking. Okay, he wants to take a nap. Just go home! Okay, go home! Jeez. Stupid. 3 scenery and fences. Oh, I have an idea. I think I'm getting the hand of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to what I'm going to do, move here, is I'm going to make it like this. I'm going to make it an underground theme park. I think that's going to be pretty cool. Okay, so now we want to go into the paths and path concrete while we still have a chance. Let's do that. How do I get, oh yeah, we just do that. Exit. Delete it. Give me money. Did I get a refund? It must has a refund. Oh no, wrong path. Now I have to get rid of that. It actually gave me only $9. It does give you a refund. So, concrete. No! Stupid. I'm gonna spend like an hour doing this. Jeez. 4 paths. Concrete. There. What? No! I'm gonna be doing this for the rest of the time I have a video. I only have 15 minutes. Path concrete. There we go. Now I'm not so mad. Let's make the underground theme cobblestone. Rotate it. So I found out that there were ramps in this, and I was like, oh, these are the ones that I don't want. Die. Oh no! I'm gonna spend like an hour doing this. Just building an underground world. Path wooden. Let's actually do that. Wah! 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 This is where all the rides will be. All the rides will be downstairs. They'll be like deep down underground. So guys, I think that is a good place to end this video. It's a pretty nice little theme park so far. And I think it's a good place to end the video. So I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.